So this video is about how do you name ionic and covalent compound. So as I say, first thing first, you have to figure out whether is it an ionic or is it a covalent compound. So let's say ionic. An example ionic compound could be, for example, CaI2, and then covalent compound could be, say, IF3. Now, the thing to remember about ionic is that because there are only one or two possible combinations between the metal and the non-metal, you do not use di, tri, or whatever, because there's only one possible combination, right? So you would say metal first, calcium, and then you say the non-metal. In this case, it's an iodine, but instead of iodine, you're gonna say IODI, IDE. It's only IDE at the end. Covalent, on the other hand, because you can have so many different combinations. You can have IF2, IF3. You could have, for example, I2F5. You can have whatever. So you have to use mono, di, tri, etc. in order to specify which compound you're talking about. And so you will go whatever first. So there's one iodide here. So you would say mono iodide. And then there's three fluoride. So you would say tri fluor. And then just like over here, when you have IED, just say I fluoride. Now, by convention, this is by convention only. If it's mono for the first one, you don't have to say it. So you just say iodine trifluoride. Well, how do I know mono is equal to 1, di is equal to 2, tri is equal to 3? How do I know 4, 5, and 6? Well, Google it. It's Latin. Mono, di, tri is a Latin for it. So if I have P4O10, how would I do this? Scooting it down here. P is phosphorus. Phosphorus. And then how many P are there? 4. So if we look at like a table on Google or whatever, 4 would be tetra phosphorus. And then you got oxygen. Now remember, oxygen is going to become oxide to have IED at the end, and there's 10 of them, 10 oxygen, right? So then you just add the Greek or Latin, deca oxide. So this compound is tetraphosphorus deca oxide. That's it.